morning students, welcome back to physics class. So I hope all of you learned the previous topics very well. So today we are going to discuss about sign conventions for spherical lenses and also solve some problems related with the lenses. Okay, so sign convention for spherical lenses. So you know that in the previous class we studied about sign convention for spherical mirrors. So it is same as that of spherical lenses also. Okay. For lenses we follow sign convention similar to the one used for spherical mirrors. We apply the rules for sign of distance except that all measurements are taken from the optical center of the lens. So in the case of mirror we have to use the distance is taken from pole. Okay, but here we have to use the distance taken from the optical center of the lens. Okay, according to the convention, the focal length of a convex lens is positive and that of a concave lens is what? Negative. Okay, then you must take care to apply appropriate signs for the values of u, v, f, object height h and image height h. Okay, so next one is lens formula. So what is lens formula? As we have a formula for spherical mirrors, we also have formula for spherical lenses. So this formula gives the relationship between object distance, image distance and focal length. So the lens formula is expressed as 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Okay, so what is the lens formula? Lens formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So here what is f? F is the focal length and v is the image distance and u is what? Object distance. Okay, so the lens formula given above is general and is valid in all situations for any spherical lens. So take proper care of the signs of different quantities while putting numerical values for solving problems related to lenses. And the next one is magnification. Magnification. Okay, so the magnification produced by lens similar to that of spherical mirrors is defined as the ratio of the height of the image and the height of the object. So what is magnification? Magnification is equal to height of the image divided by what? Height of the object. Okay, so here height of the image denoted by letter h dash and height of the object is h. So magnification is equal to what? H dash by h. Okay, and also magnification produced by lens is also related to the object distance u and the image distance v. This relation is given as m is equal to v by u. Okay, in the case of a mirror, the magnification m is what? M is equal to minus v by u in the case of mirror. But the case of lens, the magnification is what? V by u. It is same as that of, is the ratio of height of the image to the height of the object, but which is equal to what? V by u in the case of lens. Okay, let's solve some problems related with the spherical lenses. So the first question is, a concave lens has focal length of 15 centimeter. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens? Also find the magnification produced by the lens. Okay, so first you have to read the question 2 times. We write the given terms in the question. So first you have to underline which type of lens is given that question. It is a concave lens. Okay, so underline that lens, concave lens, and focal length is 15 centimeter. Okay, so focal length f is equal to what? 15 centimeter. It is a concave lens, so focal length is negative 15 centimeter. Okay, this focal length is negative 15 centimeter. Then the question is, at what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens? So the question is, you have to find out object distance u. Okay, so here the image distance v is given. So what is the value? V is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so here it is a concave lens. Okay, so concave lens always forms image on the left hand side. It's always virtual and erect. So which is the sign of image distance? negative. So in the case of concave lens, the image distance is always what? Negative. So you have to put the sign negative. So negative 10 centimeter here. Okay. So one more question, also find the magnification produced by the lens also. So how can you find out object distance? You know that 1 by f is equal to what? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So first you have to write the lens formula. Okay. So lens formula is what? 1 by f is equal to 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Okay. Then you have to substitute the values. 1 by f, 1 by minus 15 is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by minus 10 minus 1 by u. Okay. Then you have to find out 1 by u or u. So how can you have to use the mathematical steps here. Then after that you have to solve to find out the u. Okay. So I am taking minus 1 by 2 LHS side. So it becomes positive. So positive 1 by u is equal to what? 1 by minus 10. Then minus 1 by 50 is what? Plus 1 by 50. Is it correct? Okay. Then which is equal to? Then you have to cross multiply it. So 1 into 15, 15. Plus 1 into minus 10, it is minus 10. Divided by minus 10 into 15 is what? 150. Okay. Which is equal to what? 15 plus minus 10 is 5. 5 divided by what? 150. Okay. So it is 5 by 150. And also here negative sign. So it is 5 by negative 150. That is 1 by u is 5 by negative 150. Then how can you find out u? U is equal to 150 divided by 5. Okay. Which is equal to what? That is minus 30 centimeter. Okay. So the object distance is 30 centimeter. So the negative sign means that the object is at which side? Right side. Okay. So it is at the distance from 30 centimeter from the lens. Then next also you have to find out magnification also. Magnification. So how can you find out magnification? Magnification m is equal to what? M is equal to v by u, which is equal to v is what? V is minus 10 divided by u means minus 30, which is equal to what? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means a positive 0.333. Okay. The positive sign shows that the image is right and virtual. The object is 1/3 of the size of the object. Okay. Then second question. A 2 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Also find its magnification. Okay, so first you have to read the question 2 times and write the given terms. So a 2 centimeter tall object. So 2 is what? H. Height of the object is 2 centimeter. Okay, is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length. So f is equal to what? 10 centimeter. Okay, so here which type of a lens is this one? So this is a which lens? Convex lens. So focal length is what? Positive 10 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens u. U is what? 15 centimeter. So u is negative 15. Okay, by using sign convention you have to put the sign negative. Negative 50 centimeter. The question is find the nature. Nature means you have to find out the v, then size of the image h dash, then also magnification m. Okay. So here first you have to write the lens formula. So what is the lens formula? Lens formula 1 by f is equal to what? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Okay. Then 1 by f. 1 by f means 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by v. You have to find out 1 by v. Minus 1 by 10 is what? Minus 1 by 15. Okay. Then you have to taking minus what? Positive. So you have to take in this 1 by 15 to LHS side. So it became negative 1 by 15. So 1 by 10 negative 1 by 15 is equal to what? 1 by V. So you have to cross multiply this one. So 1 into 15 is what? 15 minus 1 into 10, 10 divided by 150 is equal to 1 by V. Okay. 50 minus 10 is what? 5. 5 by 150 is equal to 1 by V. Okay. So what is V? V is equal to 150 by 5. That is 30 centimeter. Positive 30 centimeter. Okay. So what do you mean by positive sign? The positive sign of V shows that the image is formed at a distance of 30 centimeter on the other side of the optical center. Okay. That means the image is real and inverted. The positive sign means the image is real and inverted. Okay. Then next one you have to find out magnification. M is equal to what? Height of the image divided by height of the object, which is equal to what? V by U. Okay. So H dash divided by H means height of the object, that is 2, equal to V. V means what? 30 divided by U. What's the value U? Minus 15. Okay. So it is 2 times minus 2. So H dash is equal to what? Minus 2 into 2. Okay. Is equal to minus 4 centimeter. So the height of the image is 4 centimeter. So negative means that it is an inverted image. Okay. Then find out the magnification. M is equal to what? M is equal to 30 divided by 15 minus 50, which is equal to what? Minus 2. So there is no units for magnification. So the negative sign of M and H dash, that the image is inverted and real. It's formed below the principal axis. Thus the real inverted image 4 centimeter tall is formed at a distance of 30 centimeter on the right side of the lens. The image is 2 times enlarged. So the image is real and inverted. Then the third question is, the refractive index of diamond is 2.42 and the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Calculate the speed of light in diamond. Okay. So here you have to find out the speed of light in diamond. So how can you find the speed of light in diamond? So speed of light in diamond is equal to what? Is equal to speed of light in air. Speed of light in air divided by what? Speed refractive index of diamond divided by refractive index of diamond. Okay. So you know that the refractive index is equal to speed of light in air divided by speed of light in that medium. So from that equation you have to find the speed of light in diamond, which is equal to speed of light in air divided by speed of light, refractive index of diamond, which is equal to speed of light in air is what? 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second divided by refractive index is given, that is 2.42, which is equal to what? 1.24 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second is the speed of light of diamond.